What is up? Welcome to the channel. Today is something I normally don't do. I think I've only done it one time, more of a novelty, but today is something a little different. I'm going to be opening up this Topps Now pack I just got from Topps for the 2026 U.S. men's hockey team, the Jack Hughes Golden Goal. So I got 5 cards here. Hopefully we get something good. If I don't, either way, I'm still going to like it. So let's just took it out of the envelope. So let's see what happens. There we get that 1 of 1. And I'm assuming all these are going to be the same, but I'm hoping they are not. But it's looking like they are. And they are all the same. No parallels, none of that numbered stuff, unfortunately. And definitely not the 1 of 1, but still super stoked to have it. And there you go. You saw in real time that I did not become a millionaire. So with that being said, thank you for watching, and until next time, see ya.